Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn to find the area according to the number of square boxes as well as to draw figure according to the given number of squares. Here we have a figure and we have to find its area in square units according to the number of square boxes covered by it. My dear students, let one side of this square box be 1 unit. Then the area of this square box will be 1 square unit. Now we will count the number of squares covered by this figure and then we will see that how many square units are being covered by this figure. So start counting the number of square boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 6 complete square boxes. But this figure has covered half area of 2 more squares. So let's count it. Half and half means 1 full square. And firstly there were 6 square boxes and now 1 more means the total area covered by this figure is 7 square units. Now, dear students, here we have another figure. Now, let's calculate its area in square units by counting the number of square boxes covered by it. As we have done, let the one side of square box be 1 unit. Then the area of one square box will be 1 square units. Now start counting the number of square boxes covered by it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 are full square boxes. Now let's count the number of squares whose half area has been covered. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half boxes means 2 full boxes. Firstly it was 8 square boxes and now 2 more means the total area covered by this figure is 10 square units. Now our next question is draw your favorite figure according to given number of square boxes. Here we have given 15 square boxes. Now we will make a figure in which the number of square boxes will be 15. I have made this figure. Now let's count the number of square boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let's draw this figure on notebook with the help of pencil and scale in which the number of square boxes will be 15. As you can see, with the help of pencil and scale, I have made this figure on notebook in which the number of square boxes is 15. This type of figure can also be made with 15 square boxes. Now let's draw this figure on notebook with pencil and scale as I have made this figure with 15 square boxes. And dear students, this type of figure can also be made with 15 square boxes. Now let's draw this figure on notebook with the help of pencil and scale. Let's draw it, and this figure also has 15 boxes. Dear students, like this way different kinds of figures can be drawn. So today we have learnt to find the area according to number of square boxes covered by a figure as well as to draw different kinds of figures according to given number of square boxes. Now it is time for today's question. Our today's question is how many square units have been covered in the given figure? And for the answer of this question, we have 4 options. Option A is 7 square units. Option B is 6 square units. Option C is 8 square units. And option D is 9 square units. Now let's calculate the total area of this figure according to the number of square boxes covered by it. So start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are complete square boxes. Now let's count the number of half square boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half square boxes means 2 full square boxes. Firstly it was 4. 4 and 2, 6 means the total area covered by this figure is 6 square units, which is our option B. So we will put a tick on option B. Now it is time for homework, and from home you will solve question number 3rd, 4th and 5th on your notebooks.